Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Today in this video I am going to solve a very important previous year board exam question from quadratic equation chapter. So please try to understand this question carefully. This question is being asked in year 2016. Let us read the question. The question says if the roots of the equation bracket a square plus b square x square minus 2 bracket ac plus bd bracket close x plus c square plus d square equals to 0 are equal, prove that a upon b equals to c upon d. So what do you notice children? This is a equation given to you in the question. This is a quadratic equation, right? And what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So for roots of the equation to be equal, which is given in the question, that this equation is having equal roots, and when roots are equal, the discriminant which I represent by b square minus 4 into a into c equals to 0, discriminant is represented by b square minus 4 into a into c equals to 0. I am representing these alphabets by capital letters because small letters, they are being used in the question itself, in the equation. So that you don't get confused, I am representing this b square minus 4ac small letter by capital letters, right? So what will be if I compare this equation with the standard form? What is the value of a in this question wala jo equation hai aapke paas? Value of a is the coefficient of x square, which is how much? A square plus b square. So I write capital A equals to small a square plus b square. What is the value of b? B is the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x? It is minus 2 bracket ac plus bd. So capital B I write as minus 2 bracket ac plus bd. What is the constant term in this equation? Small c square plus d square. So capital C equals to small c square plus d square. So these are the values of a, b, c if I compare this equation, quadratic equation, with the standard form. Now what I will do, I will substitute these values of a, b, c in this formula of b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So what is b? Write down this b value from here, minus 2, put a big bracket, minus 2 bracket small bracket ac plus bd, close it, then big bracket square, minus 4 into a into c. What is your a square plus b square. What is your c square plus d square. So what you get? 4 into bracket a plus b square, next bracket, into c square plus d square equals to 0. So this is I have obtained after substituting the value of a, b, c in the discriminant. Now in the next step, if you see at the in this term, look at this term, it is a square, it is being squared, and it is a negative term. So whenever a negative term is squared, you will get the answer in positive. So minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2 will give you 4. AC plus BD square into AC plus BD whole square. So this complete can be written this way. Now this minus term, the second term is having a negative sign. So I am bringing this whole term, it is a single term. It is the product of 4 terms, 4 a square plus b square, c square plus d square. So it is a product of 4 terms with a negative sign. So if I bring this on right side, its sign will become positive. So what I write? After bringing it right side, it will become positive. So 4 into a square plus b square, bracket close, next bracket c square plus d square. Now what do you see in this equation? This 4 and this 4, this 4 is getting multiplied on the left hand side, this 4 is getting multiplied with these two terms on the right hand side. So I can cancel this 4 with this 4, right? So what remains from left side? AC plus BD whole square. AC plus BD whole square में you can use the formula x plus y whole square वाला identity वाला. So what is x square? AC whole square. So AC whole square means a square c square. What is y square? BD whole square. BD whole square means b square d square, plus 2 into x into y means 2 into AC into BD. So 2 into AC into BD. So these are the three terms of the expansion for this identity x plus y whole square, right? Now come to the right side. Now these two brackets I will open by doing term by term multiplication. So how will I multiply? A square into c square, a square into c square, a square c square. Next a square into d square, so plus a square into d square, plus b square into c square, b square into c square. Next plus b square into d square. So b square into d square. So this I have opened the bracket by term multiplication. Now what you see in the left and right side, a square c square left side gets cancelled with a square c square on the right side. Similarly, b square d square on the left side gets cancelled with b square d square on the right side. So what is remaining now? 2abcd left side में 2abcd, right side में a square d square plus b square c square. So write it down, a square d square plus b square c square. Now whatever is present on the left side, I will bring on the right side. So दिस विल बिकम लाइक दिस, ए स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर, इसको आप राइट साइड में ले आओगे तो क्या हो जाएगा -2abcd, और इस साइड पे जीरो रह जाएगा तो उसको मैंने अब रिवर्स करके लिख दिया. सो आई कैन राइट इट दिस वे, ए स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर, इफ यू ब्रिंग इट दिस साइड सो -2abcd, और ये हो गया आपका जीरो. राइट नाउ ए स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटर्न एज ए डी ब्रैकेट होल स्क्वायर plus b square c square can be written as bc bracket whole square minus this 2 is as it is. Now abcd ko I am doing pairing, so a I am doing with d because multiplication can be done in any order, so I write ad into bc equals to 0. Now why I have done this? If you compare this left hand side with the identity x minus y whole square, so this is representing your x square, this is plus y square minus 2 into x into y, right? So in order to compare it with x minus y whole square identity, I am writing it this way. So this expansion is of which type of identity? It will become ad minus bc whole square ka, this is the expansion. So this can be written this way in the identity form or in the formula form. So left side will be ad minus bc whole square and right side equals to 0. Now what do you notice? राइट साइड जीरो का मीनिंग क्या है कि वॉट एवर इज देयर इन साइड द ब्रैकेट इट हैज़ टू बी इक्वल टू जीरो. सो आई राइट ए डी माइनस बी सी इक्वल्स टू जीरो. राइट नाउ ब्रिंग बी सी ऑन द राइट साइड. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ए डी इक्वल्स टू बी सी हो जाएगा. नाउ लुक एट वॉट यू हैव टू प्रूव. यू हैव टू प्रूव ए अपॉन बी इक्वल्स टू सी अपॉन डी. सो आई विल डू अ स्लाइड मॉडिफिकेशन. ब्रिंग दिस बी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, इट विल कम इन द डिनोमिनेटर, एंड डी को यू ब्रिंग ऑन द राइट साइड. So b I am bringing on the left side, so it will get divided with a upon b, and d you bring on the right side, c upon d. ये हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? By looking at the expression which you are required to prove. So finally I have obtained a upon b equals to c upon d. This is what I was required to prove. So our question is solved. I hope children you have followed this question. Bye bye.